Jumps are one of the most suitable ways to get in shape. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you jump every day. So watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's go! If you want to start jump, you have many variations. The most popular options are jumping rope, jumping jacks, and box jump. Let's take a closer look at them. Jumping rope is an excellent workout for all muscle groups, which helps keep the body toned, develop endurance and coordination. But you can benefit from this exercise only if you follow the correct technique. When rotating the rope, your hands should not be moved too far from the body. The rope should only slightly touch the floor. After a jump, you should land on the balls of your feet, softening the contact with the floor. Jumps should be low. A couple of centimeters from the floor will be enough. To train for a long time, your back should be in a straight position. Your elbows should be close to your body. If you jump rope every day, first of all, you will pump up your calf muscles. 70% of the load during jumps falls on them. Also, during training with a jump rope, the muscles of the thighs, buttocks, forearms and biceps are used. Training with a jump rope has a positive effect on the functioning of the whole body. Scientists at Harvard University conducted a step test, which proved that jumping rope has a positive effect on the cardiovascular system. Just 10 minutes of jumping rope can replace 30 minutes of running. Other positive effects from training with a jump rope include developing endurance, normalizing blood pressure, improving the functioning of the cardiovascular system, weight loss, strengthening posture, and normalizing the functioning of the respiratory system. Many athletes know that jumping rope is an excellent aerobic exercise that, with the right technique, helps you lose weight. Training with a jump rope every day for at least 10 minutes helps enrich the body with oxygen, activates metabolic processes, and reduces subcutaneous fat deposits. In 15 minutes of intense training with a jump rope, you burn about 200 kilocalories, and in a half an hour, you can burn as much as 400 kilocalories. This is more than jogging or race walking. You can get noticeable results with regular, competent training, supported by strong motivation and the desire to improve the condition of your body. However, it is worth noting that jumping rope is contraindicated for problems with the heart, blood vessels, ankle, and knee injuries. The next option is a jumping jack. This is a very effective cardio. Performing jumping jacks, you can effectively get rid of excess weight. Doing this exercise, your blood circulation increases, blood vessels and heart become stronger. So what is jumping jack? Jumping jack is a jumping with legs and arms spread at the same time. You don't need to have a high level of physical fitness to perform it. Jumping jack is an ideal option for warming up. You can easily control the intensity of the load during exercise. You don't need to have special equipment to do jumping jacks, so you can do it anywhere. Jumping jacks actively involve arms, legs, and abdomen in the work. Moreover, jumping jacks develop endurance. Box jump is one of the basic exercises in CrossFit. It increases the endurance of the entire body, improves its coordination and partly flexibility, and also trains the muscles to contract as quickly as possible in a short period of time, developing jumping ability and speed. When performing box jumps, almost all the muscles of the body are activated, mainly calf muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps, buttocks. The muscles of the shoulder girdle, back, and abdominals are also involved in the work, and the elasticity of the tendons improves. Box jumps are performed using one single device, a special box. The height of the box should be chosen based on your level of training. Box jumps are less traumatic than other types of jumps, as they place less stress on the joints. But there is a risk of injury if your toe catches on a box, so you need to do this exercise with extreme concentration and attention. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon!